we're gonna do unboxing our Dyson Kinetic Big Ball Vacuum Cleaner. So let's go and start unboxing it. Alright. So I have a scissor. Oh my god. So we bought this today at Harvey Norman. It's on sale for $400. I need a good vacuum cleaner and this is supposed to be good. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna have a new nice vacuum cleaner. Okay, this way. I've been wanting to have a good vacuum cleaner for a while. Alright, there you go. There you go. Alright, let's open up. What is it? Some oops. Okay. Alright. Wow. Wow. There you go, Pam. So what do you call this, my love? How do look? You just press it like that and it will just. Oh, okay. See? There you go. It's open. Okay. And to put it on, I'm not sure. There. So this is the cord here. Like this. And what's in here? What about this one? How to put this on, my love? I'm not sure how to put this on. Ah, like that. There you go. Oh, that one. And you can put this one. Wait. So what can you do is like this, maybe like that. I'm not sure. Oh. How to put this one? Oh, the other way around. Like that. And we have the head here to stay blocking thing. So just put it like that. So it just clips. Wow, this looks good. And we have another one here. What is this? This is all the other accessories that goes with the vacuum cleaner. What is this for? Is this for the side? Supposed to be for the sides, Pam. See? This one. I think this one is you can attach this to the body. I think here or somewhere. I'm not sure. Can you attach this one, my love? Alright, naipit, piskot. There you go. And you can put this one on the side here if you want. Is it like that? I don't know how to do it now. On the bottom? I don't think so. I don't know what's going on. And there's the manual for it. The manual. it's a 2 years guarantee. 2-year guarantee. Hi, Heavy.
Oh, wifey.
And what else we gonna have
So
here?
we have the operating manual.
That's it. That's it. No more.
And as you can see, all the different accessories.
No more. It's finished. That's it. So we have this one, Tom. So if you want just a short one, you can use this one.
Oh, I see.
You can detach this, I think,
Mm-hmm.
and then go directly from here. Something like that. Yeah, look.
And then?
You can use this one, look, like that.
Ah.
Oh, see, if you
I
wanna,
see.
if you wanna attach this, see, if you wanna attach this one, how to retract this one? What is this for? Okay. Okay. Oh, there you go, Pam Pam.
Like that. And then what you do, you just put like
Bring it in.
Like
You
this,
can
and then
adjust
go
it.
like
You bloody thing. Okay.
Actually, there is something you can do. Just put your head to the side. Good for cleaning the ears.
Don't be serious. Well, maybe I'll clean your ear with this. So, and we have this one.
Oh yeah, they're just sort of like attach in there.
Oh, something like that. I'm not too sure. No, not that one. This
Yeah,
is
like that.
okay. What about this one? What is this?
And
Another detachable.
we all know why we bought this. Because someone, I won't name them, someone was complaining that the vacuum cleaner doesn't work properly. It was just someone, we're not sure who it is. Anyway, I'm going back to directing.
Okay, that's it, my love. So you can go like this, Papa, and put it on. Put it on. There's a red sign here. Look. Oh my God. Oh, that's nice. Oh my goodness. I like it, my love. It's nice and it's strong.
Like the husband.
I like it. So I'll be vacuuming every day. Wow. That's a good one, my love. Oh. Look at the dirt, Coco.
Look at that.
It's really strong. Okay. What the fuck am I doing? Alright. There you go. That's it. Okay. So we finished our unboxing. And I'm very happy with our new vacuum cleaner. Okay, see ya, and don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Bye bye.